What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm very excited. We're going to do 3 things. We're going to unbox a sneaker this morning, then we will wear it, then we will go watch the wife give a talk. She's actually a public relations professional. She is part of a PR agency, and she will be giving one of her first big talks today. So I'm so excited to watch her, so excited to give her some whatever support I can give. And then after that, maybe at the end of the day, we'll do a review of the sneaker that I wore for today. So yeah, let's go. Now, while I'm thinking of which sneaker to wear, I just want to remind you guys we are giving away a Supreme body bag. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go now, subscribe, go. So for our sneaker of the day, I was initially thinking of going with an Air Force One. This is the black utility one that I got a few days ago from Commonwealth, but I decided to pass on that one. And instead, I'm thinking we go with Puma. Now, some people pronounce this as Puma. I got used to pronouncing it as Puma, so I'll pronounce it as Puma. So this is the Puma XO Parallel Boot. This is the box. So as you guys can see, it's one of the nicest sneaker boxes that you guys can find if you are looking for really nice packaging for sneakers. Puma has that down with the XO collection. By the way, I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but Puma is opening a Puma Select store over at Uptown Mall BGC. That is important because the Puma Select is actually their line of collabs. That's the collabs that you have with The Weeknd, with everybody else that they have under their label or under their partnership. So we will be seeing a lot of the great Puma sneakers, collab sneakers, finally be available here in the Philippines after waiting for so long. I am so excited to be able to see that store go up. So we have another alternative to the Swoosh and 3 Stripes and all the other brands that we have here in the Philippines. So let's do a quick unboxing. So as you guys can see here, this is the box. It's in all black. Oh, by the way, the 2.0 version of this is already out. So I'm a bit late. So I'm just wearing the first version and not the second version. So it is like a magnetic box. So you open it like so. And then you have the typical wrapper for the sneakers. And yeah, here you have it. This is their boot. And as you guys can see, it's very clean, very simple, in all black, great quality, fantastic build, easy to wear. You have a zipper here at the back. And it goes well with a lot of, I don't know, like even smart casual because it's just plain black. One interesting thing, by the way, is that you see that super thick midsole? I mean, yeah, this will probably help like all the vertically challenged guys out there if they want to put a few more inches to their height. So, so let's get this let's get over with this. Let's just wear this and just go through the rest of the day. Let's go. Guys, check nyo yung bagong bag ni Mrs. Oh. Yeah, what do you call this? It's the LV Neverfull Epi in black. Woo! Pahimas naman para maswerte.
Salamat sa financial.
An amicable settlement speech, an out-of-court settlement speech. Again, I think it was good thinking on the part of United.
A veteran multimedia business journalist turned PR professional with close to 15 years of experience across all media platforms. She currently serves as the Media Relations and Activations Director of Ripple Inc. Incorporated, the sole public relations arm of DDB Group Philippines. In her career as a journalist, Michelle has helped companies across the country to find their voice in creative and informative stories told in print, broadcast, and online media, strengthened over the past years through her stay in broadcast giants ABS-CBN and TV5. She brings her learnings from media into PR, aiming to further amplify positive and inspiring stories. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Michelle Morosa.
So who am I first? Why am I here? As mentioned earlier, I was a journalist for most of my life. So this is actually just year one for me into PR. But I have worked with a lot of PR firms and a lot of companies throughout the years. And actually here, this first picture, that's my favorite, one of my favorite coverages when I was a reporter. That's in the Manampaya gas field in Palawan.
And we're back. I just want to congratulate the wife for the fantastic talk. People were definitely, you know, nodding their heads, listening intently, taking down notes, and everybody clapped and applauded after she finished. Well-received talk, fantastic points, great insights. One of the things that I personally picked up is that when it comes to people staying in your team, you really have to make them buy into the bigger vision of the company so that they see why they are there. Because most of the time, people who leave, it's not just because they leave of a bad boss. I'm sure that's the #1 reason, but it's because they also don't find purpose in what it is that they do. So if you don't know why you're there, most likely you will leave as soon as possible. So again, congratulations to the wife. Now moving back to the sneaker, this was the sneaker that we wore all day. This was the Puma XO Parallel. So this is actually in collaboration with The Weeknd. So I'm sure you guys know who The Weeknd is. They're like a popular act or band or whatever, or artist. He's the guy with the weird hair, and he was the ex-boyfriend, I think, of Selena Gomez before Justin Bieber got her back. But anyway, so this is the boot. This is actually version 1. Version 2 actually already came out. And just some thoughts before we ended the vlog. It is one heck of a nice boot. It is far more comfortable than a lot of the boots that I have. But man, this thick midsole is really the star of the show. This one adds so much height. I don't know, I don't have a tape measure, but that is one thick midsole. And it's not boost, so it doesn't like become mush when you step on it, so it's solid. The 2.0 version of this was already out, and what they did is they actually replaced the midsole with the gum outsole. So it looks much better, it has more pop. Because if you take a look at this one, the main problem is that it kind of looks plain because it's just black. And would you pay like 10,000 pesos for something like this? I don't know. So again, they added that little color to be able to give it a little more personality, which I think is very much needed with the Puma XO Parallel. The Puma XO Parallel, at least this pair, I got from Soul Academy, the awesome folks over at Soul Academy. But the XO, I think 2.0, Parallel 2.0 is available over at the Sneak Peek, so you guys might want to check that out. But ultimately, if you guys are interested in Puma sneakers, I highly suggest that you guys wait for the opening of their new store over at Uptown Mall BGC. They will be bringing a lot of heat, a lot of the new collabs. It is Puma Select, which is their brand for their collaborations. I have a bunch of nice Puma sneakers. Apart from the Parallel, I have the Thunder Spectra, I think, if I'm not mistaken. The OG colorway. This is one of my favorite sneakers. It's so comfortable. I love the pop of color that it brings. Has so much personality. I also have the Thunder Electric. This one I got from Shoe Freak PH. So you guys can see there, this is one hell of a dad shoe. I mean, from the chunkiness to the vibe to the overall styling and color, it's just crazy. So both sneakers from Puma, I love to wear often. I also have like a bunch of Puma suedes. But yeah, I'm super stoked and excited for Puma Philippines to finally bring their A game in our shores. So watch out for that December 8th Puma Select over at Uptown Mall BGC. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Please do make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram. We are about to draw the winners of the Supreme Body Bag this Sunday. This Sunday na po, we will draw the winners of this bag. So yeah, peace, God bless, what's up, boom! So guys, before we end, I just want to remind you, I will be at the Urban Affair event tomorrow at Ronak Center together with Big Boy Cheng, Sir Melton, and a bunch of other sneakerheads. So if you are not doing anything on Saturday tomorrow, please do drop by at the Ronak Art Center 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. I think. So it's going to be a long, crazy party. It's kind of like a mini sneaker con. So there will be a lot of people selling rare sneakers, hype sneakers. There will be people selling streetwear items. There'll be food stalls. There's a pop-up. And yeah, there's so much happening. Drop by. I want to meet all of you. I want to chat with you. I want to get to know you guys. And it will be just an amazing time to be able to hang out and meet one another. It's been a while since I've just been talking to a friggin' camera every day. So it would be nice to put faces on the people who leave comments down below. So I would be immensely happy to be able to meet with you guys and hang out with you tomorrow at Urban Affair 2. The entrance fee is just 100 pesos, and I will be selling, by the way, a limited edition Be the 1% shirt over here. So it says there 1%, and at the back it says Be the 1% is the one in white. The one I'm wearing now is actually the black version. So the shirts will be sold, I think, from 550 to 600 pesos, and everybody who buys a shirt is included already in a raffle where we will be giving away a bunch of sneakers, a bunch of hype stuff, including the hype bag, the vape bag, and a Supreme water bottle, and a bunch of other stuff. So guys, if you aren't doing anything this weekend, I'd love to meet you. I'd love to see you guys. Urban Affair 2 over at Ronak Art Center. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.